Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all wallpapers on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, there are a lot of wallpapers on my iPhone, and here I will show you how can you delete all these wallpapers on your iPhone. So guys, this is very basic and simple, you can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you can see there is no option in the settings to delete the wallpapers from your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, there is no option to delete the wallpaper from here. So guys, here I will show you how can you delete them all on your iPhone. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply open the settings on your device, and after this you have to tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, and after this go back and lock your iPhone. So guys, simply lock your iPhone, and after this you have to simply unlock your iPhone again. So guys, simply unlock your iPhone. Here you can see this, it is unlocked by Face ID. Now you have to simply press and hold any wallpaper from here. So guys, let me show you. Simply press and hold the wallpaper from here, and after this you will see all of your wallpapers from here. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily see all of your wallpapers from here. Here you have to simply swipe up any wallpaper to delete it. So guys, here you can see this, if you swipe up the wallpaper, here you will see the delete button in the bottom. So guys, here you can see this, swipe it up, and after this tap on delete, and then tap on delete this wallpaper from here. So guys, in this way you can also delete all these wallpapers from here one by one. So guys, here you can see this, if you swipe up any wallpaper, you will see the button to delete it. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to delete all wallpapers from your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.